This is interesting. What's this superstar up to? She's coming to the ring with a purpose and a target in mind.
Throwing down the gauntlet.
But will she get a response?
Oh, this is gonna be good.
This is exactly what she wanted. Exactly what she asked for. I hope she wasn't just all talk.
Oh, yes. She wants a match.
But will she get what she wants?
Telling her, why wait till next week? I love it.
And here's a woman who has been pretty vocal about her goal, wanting to be the most dominant and feared opponent in WWE. Attempting an early cover here. And she gets a quick kick out.
Possibly testing the waters with that pin attempt.
All tied up now.
Breaks that up.
Reversal after reversal, proving they did their homework.
Side rush and leg sweep, takedown, and these will keep. She goes for the quick pin. No trouble kicking out of that one.
Not even close, gonna take more than that.
Bam!
A knee drop delivered.
So precise.
And she narrowly escapes that maneuver.
Nice Japanese arm drag. Just like that. She turned it around. Caught in the chin.
Going for the legs, going right after the base. Clearly had a strategy going on there with the attention on the leg.
Step ahead there.
Counter after counter. Neither superstar getting the clear advantage.
Drop with a back suplex. She got put to the test there.
Yeah, and already taking her share of lumps in this one. Oh my, boot to the spine right there. And so much for sportsmanship, really showing her true colors right now. Quick thinking right there.
As the arm trapped. Psycho cutter.
Right into the pin attempt. This could be it.
Gets the shoulder up instantly.
Yeah, she probably knew that cover wouldn't do it.
Headed out of the ring, but the count is looming. Boom! Face first. She's giving her no room to breathe.
Unloading attack after attack.
Get this back into the ring now. Boom!
Leaning against the turnbuckle now.
Gotta hurt.
Focusing on a body part, picking it apart. The arm's as good of a place to focus as any.
A quick reversal from her. Able to turn the top.
Ducks the clothesline. And a schoolboy attempted.
She's quick to get her shoulder up.
A little defiance on.
You can feel the tables beginning to turn. A series of clotheslines and their opponent is rocked.
Cuts the attack off.
Double. A toe-crushing counter.
Drop toe hold. Shoulders down. Cover. Raises the shoulder before the 1 count.
Not getting a 2 count at this point has to be frustrating. Got the arm trapped, raining down 12-6 elbows.
And any one of those shots could take you out for good. Can she do it here? She kicks out with authority.
Too much gas left in the tank. More damage needs to be done here.
From out of nowhere.
RKO!
Shining Wizard.
Looking dazed. She's an easy target now.
Down to one knee. Off of the other. One again.
This is her chance. Will she seize the moment?
And the cover. Strong kick out late into the match.
She kicked out there, but I don't know how much more she can take.
And she quickly turned that around.
Full velocity, rather hard, baby. These two are firing off on each other. No wonder holding back here. Going all out.
Blow after blow. Test of endurance at this point.
The willpower, the sheer guts of these two.
Fatigue more than setting in, but these superstars are refusing to let up. And this crowd is loving every second of it. Oof!
Looks like we got ourselves a hockey fight. Looks like we know who won that exchange. Up across the shoulders. Driven down with a fireman's carry slam.
If that's not it, I don't know what is.
Cover. And she's able to stop the count early.
I am honestly at a loss for words right now.
Wards that off. What a response.
Again, like a...
Into the cover. This might be it. Kicks out before one.
She wasn't even down for one. She's got so much spirit.
Stiff headbutt.
Oh, that just busted her wide open.
Down to one knee. Off of the other. One again.
Can she take advantage of this? King from above.
Middle rope. A missile drop kick from the middle rope. Listen to this place. It's electric. She's going up now. Going up high.
From above.
Launching. Totally missed that one. She turns it around with the reversal.
Up across the shoulders. Driven down with a fireman's carry slam. That finally has to slam the door shut and end this.
She kicked out.
How in the world was she able to kick out after that?
The best shot was thrown, but it couldn't put this match away. Unloads with the boot. She is at a total disadvantage right now.
No idea if she can recover from this, but currently it's not seeming very likely.
Drop toe hold.
Able to steer clear of danger there.
A reversal. Well scouted.
Focused all that power on the spine there. She's on jelly legs, but right now, that is the least of her problems.
From the middle rope. Oh, a splash. And she's landing hit after hit here.
And now it's just to maintain this energy. Keep it going.
Yes, able to survive and pull through.
Here is your winner.
This is the type of victory where you really have to weigh the costs against the benefits.
This win might have put her ahead of the pack.
She certainly grabbed the spotlight with this victory.
I'm on top, this ain't even my peak, and everything they said was out of my reach. It's getting so close now, did it all for the hometown. Time all year, we ain't skipped the beat now. This ain't even my peak, and everything they said was out of my reach. It's getting so close now, did it all for the hometown. Time all year, we ain't skipped the beat. Had the weight of the world on my shoulders, felt like a lion in a room full of vultures.